Kim from Cotton Candy Fabrics, and today I'll be showing you the number 37 patchwork foot from Bernina. The patchwork presser foot is ideal for 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch seam allowances. 3 evenly spaced markings, 1/4 inch apart, aid in square piece insertion. There's a narrow groove on the bottom of the sole that acts as a thread channel for smoother piecing. Designed for patchwork and precision stitching techniques, it is suitable for both a 5mm and a 9mm machine. I'll line up my fabric along the right edge of the foot. From the needle position to the edge of the foot is 1/4 inch. I'll begin stitching. And this gives you a beautiful 1/4 inch seam. The foot is also designed to do an 1/8 inch seam as well. If you line it up inside the opening along the right edge, it will give you an 1/8 inch seam. You can order your Bernina 37 patchwork foot at cottoncandyfabrics.com.